Do you spend all your time trying to create new Etsy listings? It's because you probably don't know these 3 tips to really accelerate listing creation. I want to know how long it takes you right now. So comment below, how many minutes does one good listing take you? 10 minutes? Does it take you an hour? Does it take you a week? Some Etsy sellers, I see they are just cranking out hundreds of listings a week and they're terrible listings, terrible quality. And in that situation, it doesn't matter if they're doing 10 listings a week or 1,000 listings a week. And on the flip side, I've seen some sellers take an entire month trying to fine tune a listing to make it just perfect. And it really slows down the speed of their success. In my shop, I grew it to over 900 good quality listings over the span of 8 years. I'm also a military spouse and a mom of 2 small children, so I don't have time to sit around perfecting listings. During those 8 years, I really developed some key strategies to speed up the listing creation process. And today I'm going to give you 3 of those strategies that you should absolutely take and start doing today. The first strategy has to do with your photos. There's 10 spots for photos, right? So sometimes people get stuck. They're like, I can think of 3 options, but how do I get 10? Do I really need the 10? Yes, you really need the 10. This is your opportunity to convert someone. Are you going to put up your house for sale on Zillow with 3 photos? No, you're going to max that out. So we want to do the same thing with Etsy. But you want the photos to be selling the product and helping your case, not hurting your case. So whether you're doing photos or mockups, doesn't matter, this still applies. What we want to do is be batch editing and then batch uploading. This is going to save you so much time. I recommend using a combination of your computer and your phone to make this run much more smoothly. I'm going to show you how to do this now. The key here is starting with drafts on your computer. So when you're creating listings, I want you to create drafts on your computer and to just upload a dummy photo. So what I'm going to do is create this listing. So this is a travel fanny pack. The intention is for people to take this to Disney, something like that. So we're going to fill out everything of the listing and we're just going to upload a random photo from your computer. Go ahead and then save the draft. So you're going to have all these listings out there with just a random dummy photo in the main thumbnail, just one photo. Then we're going to move to our phone because we want to be batch editing our photos and saving them into folders. Now I'm an iPhone girl. I'm going to do this wifey example, okay? And what I did was I took all these photos on my phone. These photos are fully edited and I'm going to leave them as is. They have the watermark already on them. That's another app on my phone that I use. Now it's a very subtle watermark. I only recommend doing this in certain situations. I would edit, 50 to 100 photos at a time, and then you're just saving them into albums. Then what you're going to want to do is go to your drafts. Here it is, right? There's the picture. Now let's pretend this is the cheer one. I'm going to click edit. Now you can't remove this thumbnail until you add in some replacements. So then you're just going to add them in and click add. We're going to add all 10 and the video as well. And now that you've added other photos, it will allow you to replace the main photo. And then you can swap out what you want to be your thumbnail. So maybe I want this to be my thumbnail. You just hold it down, drag it, and save it. Now, the one thing I wouldn't recommend doing is cropping the thumbnail here and repositioning it here in the app. I would recommend saving that for desktop. You just click save. It's all saved here. You're not publishing it on your phone. The final step, you're going to do this in batches, right? So everything now has the photos in. Maybe you have 20 listings done with their photos locked and loaded. Then you're going to go back to desktop. You are going to edit the thumbnail. So you're going to click adjust thumbnail. You can zoom in, zoom out, whatever you want. Click done. And then you're also going to apply the alt text to every photo that you would want to show up under Google Images. For example, you're not going to want to put your size charts with alt text about a wife sweatshirt. You're not going to want to put your color charts with alt text. You're not going to put your care instructions, your washing instructions, any of the infographics. I wouldn't recommend even putting alt text on. Just put it on really what is focused on the product. And then you're going to click apply after updating your alt text. And that is when you publish. Now you can publish one at a time, or you can just click save draft and then go back to all of your drafts and publish all at once. I do like publishing one at a time just so I can start to get, customer feedback faster. So that is why I do recommend publishing one at a time since you're already in there. Instead of hitting save draft, you're just hitting publish. The second way to save a ton of time when creating listings is through a duplication process that allows for repositioning and A/B testing. I'm going to actually take you into one of my actual sections in my shop. One of the sections of the product that I started with, which is the flower letter section. Now you will see, I have listings in here that have done over $100,000, $48,000. So as you can see, I started with one listing. This was pretty close to one of my first listings. It's custom made to order. So there's a bunch of different examples showing. It is a large floral letter positioned as a floral baby shower item, nursery decor, baby gift, prop, wedding gift. What you want to do here is never create a new listing. By that, I mean never click add a listing and create a new listing shell. We never want to do that. So instead, we're always going to go through the method of copying and duplicating our listings. So what you're going to do is click copy. This is a great strategy around A/B testing, repositioning, retargeting new customers. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and slide in a new photo to the primary thumbnail, and we are going to change the SEO. So for this one, I'm putting in this photo. So this SEO is going to be positioned around first birthday gift, photo shoot prop, and cake smash props. So this, I'm going to say floral birthday party decor, first birthday girl decoration, cake smash photo shoot prop, first birthday FIRST, first birthday sign. I'm going to do toddler party decor. I'm going to do toddler girl party decor. I'm going to do flower. Oh, prop is too long. I'm just going to leave flower. This is targeting completely new search results. Same product, targeting different customers, a different purpose, different utility. It's a different solution for someone. And so this is how we are going to create multiple listings quickly. And we are obviously going to update the rest of our SEO, and you can publish right here. Okay, how easy was that? So that is going to save you a ton of time. Now, this third thing is something that will really shave all of that time down by over 90%. And it is a tool that will actually do all that work for you. This tool is called Etsy, and it will make listing creation so mindless so that you can focus on other areas of your business. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, how to use it, and what the outcome looks like. So what you're going to do is go to Etsy.com. You can do a free trial for $1. You're going to click create new listing. All you have to do here is upload your photo. Now let's actually do one of my own products. Okay, this is a product in my shop that you can see has actually done $49,000. Then it's going to process the image. It will ask you if that description looks correct. I'm gonna say yes. It might ask you a couple more clarifying questions. What room or space is it used in? A nursery. What age range is it designed for? Kids and babies. So then we're going to click generate titles, and it's going to give you a couple of options for your titles. Now, the SEO that this tool provides is actually proven. It has increased the traffic on tens of thousands of listings at this point. Now, this is not an overnight increase in your traffic. It might take 3 to 4 weeks to really take hold, but we have seen amazing results with this. So you can see it gives you 2 sets of titles. Now you can go ahead and look at which one you like better. I'm going to go ahead and click on title B. Now I'm going to generate the rest of my listing based on that SEO. And in the meantime, I'm going to go back and I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to change out all the SEO. I'm going to delete all of my tags. And then we see all of our alt text, description, and tags here. So what you can do, you can simply copy your title in there, right? You're going to replace the description. There you go. Then we are going to take your tags, click copy. This is my favorite part of this tool. So you just paste that in, click add, boom, it's done. Okay, and then you're gonna publish the copy with the changes. You can also look at the history. So all of your history is here. You can view the listings over and over. And the best part about this is all of a sudden, because listing creation becomes more mindless, you can easily outsource this to someone who has no idea how to do SEO. Maybe that's your husband, maybe that's a VA, and you could outsource updating all of your listings to them or creating new listings. All they need to have is one photo. Now, if you want to test out Etsy for $1, go ahead and click on the link in the comments and in the description. The link is in both places. If you're curious about one-on-one coaching from myself and my team, you can also find that link below. You can just schedule a free call with us to learn more about how our one-on-one coaching works, and you can see it for yourself to see if it is the right fit for you. If you are going to try these 3 things to speed up your listing creation process, please let me know. And I would love to hear how much faster this helps you create your listings. All right, everyone, I'll see you in the next video.
I've gone from about $1,500 to $2,000 in revenue a month to currently, before the month's finished, $4,200 in revenue. I only joined multi-6-figure Etsy Blueprint about 4 weeks ago now.